Materials, Session 4. Please welcome our host, Andreas Barner, President of the Stifterverband für die Deutsche Wissenschaft.
On November the 9th, 1989, I watched the late-night news on television and was deeply moved.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As you may realize, this is not necessarily my normal voice, and I am very optimistic that it will be better again in a couple of days. But nonetheless, I'm going to try, because Sebastian Turner thought if somebody has such a voice, he will speak very clearly within the time allotted. And he will, I promise. This is one of the very few conferences I have attended where on Saturday afternoon you still see such a huge number of participants. So thank you very much for your attendance. But it is worthwhile because it's a pleasure for me to introduce the 5 speakers of the 4th, and I submit to be able to say on your behalf, unfortunately, the last session of this year's Falling Walls Conference. Imagine we could solve the question of energy supply in a CO2 neutral and in an as personalized and as localized way as possible. Imagine we could have a paradigm shift in computing capabilities, and imagine that at the same time we would understand the human brain in its entirety and in its health as well as in its diseased state. Imagine we could solve the computer energy problems, i.e. reduce the huge energy demand of computers through development of transistors needing distinctly less energy, and imagine that paper would form a significant part of electronic systems. Imagine we would not need to have to take decisions or even to perform experiments and then have to wait and to observe the outcome, but rather use intelligent mathematics-based, computer-based simulations to develop better decisions or to ensure more intelligent experiments. And imagine a world where not nation states would try to solve the problems of mankind, but rather have a worldwide cities-based democracy to help to develop solutions. All the problems, though not completely, will be addressed in this afternoon's session, will not be solved today completely, but will be addressed in this afternoon session. So I look forward together with you to listen what our guides to solving the problems, our speakers, will present. These are Karl-Heinz Meyer, Human Brain Project on University of Heidelberg, Elvira Fortunato, Universidade de Lisboa, Benjamin R. Barber, City University of New York, Michael Resch, University of Stuttgart, Daniel Nocera, Harvard University, Cambridge. Look forward to listen to these speakers. Thank you.